it's very important to understand, I was appointed in December of 2022 to take over the disastrous administration of District Attorney Yvonne Rosales. Ms. Rosales, after 2 years in office, was forced to resign because of the horrendous administration that she had done, causing our criminal justice system to be in a literal free fall, with over 700 cases being dismissed, with the dismissal and firing of over 40 attorneys, just leaving the office in a horrible, horrible situation. As soon as I took office, I informed the entire staff. I said, look, we are about honesty and integrity. That's the number one thing. We are public servants, which means we are servants of the public. I immediately started restructuring the office, bringing back the fact that we are about honesty and integrity and how important that is for everything in our office. The employees of the office are great public servants. I can't take that away. They are fantastic. And all of them took to that like ducks to water. They're such good public servants. The problem is they were missing good leadership. I brought in a great leadership team. People from across the county, other attorneys who had been in the DA's office came back to us. We have the former head of litigation for the city left his position to be a trial attorney in my office. I'm no dummy. I promoted him to a chief position, a supervisor position very quickly. I moved up other people in the office very quickly. The presiding magistrate judge came out of retirement to join my office. I pulled attorneys out of the U.S. Attorney's Office. I lured them back to our office. The head of the RICO unit in the U.S. Attorney's Office came back to prosecute for us. We've gotten some fantastic attorneys in our office to rebuild the structure of our office. We did that because these people care about our community. They care about making it a better place. All of them are there, and we've done that. We've started restructuring the office. An office that had hardly gone to trial at all in 2 years under Ms. Rosales has now gone to trial in more than 7 murder trials. We went to trial and got a death penalty on Deputy Peter Herrera's case, a deputy who was brutally murdered. We got that death penalty case, which is justice for Deputy Peter Herrera and his family. We're very proud of that. We've gotten to trial on over 5 child sex cases. All of these and numerous assault and DWI cases in misdemeanor court. All of this in an office that had gone to trial just a very few times in over 2 years. This is very important because that means that our office is moving cases forward. We're holding defendants accountable, we're letting victims have their day in court, and we're moving dockets. No longer are dockets just growing and growing. We're moving those dockets. The backlog of cases was over 10,000. It's close to 14,000 cases when I took over. We've eliminated, we're down to just over 3,000 cases in just 10 months. We had that whole thing eliminated by the early spring. This is how hard people are working under my leadership. And it's because they understand what it means to be worked with pride, to work with honor and integrity. They're excited about it. This is what I want the community to understand. This is a great office. We've started doing community outreach programs that have never been done before in the district attorney's office. We're reaching out to schools. We've started a program to bring educational programs to the schools, to the youth in our schools regarding gun violence, threats to the schools. We've been out working on our truancy program, which is a county-wide initiative to bring our truant children back into the schools, to get their parents involved, which is very important because we found that the large number of the people that we're prosecuting for crimes are people that are high school dropouts. It's so important that we get our kids back in school, get that high school diploma, and they're far less likely to end up with a criminal record down the road. These are the things we're doing, things that haven't been done in the past, and building further on the things that had been done in the past. This is what I want El Paso to know. This is what Hudspeth and Culberson are proud of, moving justice forward. Thank you for that.